This is a simple recipe compared to most of my videos here on YouTube. It's in the category of one of those tools that chefs accumulate for occasions when they need to be able to produce trays of a crowd-pleasing entree for dozens or hundreds of people quickly and inexpensively. But don't let that deter you. These are as delicious and addictive as they are convenient.
Have the mayonnaise and the kefir or buttermilk already in there. I'm going to add a little fresh cracked white pepper, salt, lemon juice, the garlic cloves, sugar. Load all of the spices into the grinder. Arrange these on a wire rack over a tray, and you can fill this with some hot water to keep them moist as the water steams. In a small dish, we're going to combine the butter and the lemon juice and microwave this together. And then brush it over the top of the chicken. And at this point, it can be stored and reheated later, or it can just put it straight into the broiler and finish it up. That's what it looks like it comes out together.
Also look for my cocktail book, Cocktails of the South Pacific and Beyond, Advanced Mixology, available through Amazon online.